Question 6.31 says, calculate the composition of each of the following solutions in percent mass over volume. And in order to do that, you're going to need the formula for percent mass over volume, which is percent mass over volume is equal to the mass of the solute in grams divided by the volume of the solution in milliliters, and then we're going to multiply that by 100%. So in A, it says we have 33 grams of sugar, and they've given us the molecular formula of sugar, C6H12O6, and it's in 5.00 times 10 to the power of 2 milliliters of solution. So we're just going to use our formula. Percent mass over volume is going to be equal to the mass of the solute. Our sugar weighs 33.0 grams. We're going to divide that by the volume of the solution, which we've been given is 5.00 times 10 to the power of 2 milliliters, so that's 500 milliliters, and then we multiply that whole thing by 100%. So we should have a total of 3 significant figures in our final answer. So when you do the math on this, you end up with 6.60% sugar, so C6H12O6. So there we go. For part B, it says we have 20 grams of sodium chloride in 1 liter of solution. And you might remember that there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So that 1.00 liters, I can express that as 1,000 milliliters, but I need to only have 3 significant figures. So the easiest way to do that is to use scientific notation. So I'll put that that's equal to 1.00 times 10 to the power of 3 milliliters. So there we go. So then I'm just going to use my equation, which is percent mass over volume is going to equal the mass of my solute, and I have 20.0 grams of sodium chloride. The volume of my solution must be in milliliters. I've already done that. So times 10 to the power of 3 milliliters, and then I multiply the whole thing by 100%. So when you punch that into your calculator, you end up with 2.00% sodium chloride in the solution. So that's how we calculate the composition of solutions in percent mass over volume.